Okay, this is one of my very favorite days of the year, and we haven't had it in months. This is the Realtor tour from Music City Experts, which now I am a Music City expert. We're going to get on this Wise coach bus of Nashville. It's like a field trip. We're going to see beautiful houses in Franklin, so I'm going to do a video expose of them and show you some of the gorgeous sights that we see in Franklin. We're off to the Realtor tour. Bye! Okay, I'm going to show you the best house first. This is a house that we saw. It's in Bishop's Gate Drive, and it is absolutely exquisite. We were oohing and eyeing over the amazing. It seemed that green was the primary color to use, and the staging and everything in this house was just exquisite. The artwork, the serenity, just the feel of this house was perfect. In all the houses I've seen, in all these tours, this might be the best one ever. It was pretty great. It's Turnberry home, and the lighting. You know, lighting is so important. Even the outdoor lighting was exquisite here. Just the attention to detail and the quality and the feel of this house, the flow and the light, it was perfect. I hope you're enjoying these pictures, oohing and eyeing over what you're seeing, because it was really, really great. Look at that shower. Look at the color of the plumbing fixtures. Just amazing. The quality of all the built-ins and the closets was great. Okay, then we moved on to a house on Fair Park Court. This also was a very tremendous house. The attention to detail here was amazing. Look at the use they made of spaces just to have extra storage. It was very great. Here's the doorknobs. The doorknobs, love those. Just thought it was great. This stunning staircase, very, very lovely. Again, this was a beautiful house. This is a staged house, new construction. Then we went to see a little house in downtown Franklin that is really, really sweet. Loved it. Moved on to a house on Moray Court that had also great tile, great detail, very beautiful, and home is where your story is. That's what I believe. That's why I believe so much in home ownership. The last house we saw was also very nice. Just like the Turnberry house had that gorgeous jewel green as a focal point, this had blue. Even the staged clothes in the closet was blue. This blue accent throughout the whole house was stunning. The lighting, I always say lighting makes such a difference. And here we all are on the bus having a great time. This was a great tour. Thank you. Bye.